I'm Lavanya, lecturer in English from Girras Government College, Nizamabad. Yesterday we have started the word stress for second year, fourth semester students, but didn't complete it. So what is the word stress actually? We have learned yesterday. What is the word stress? Word stress is helps us that to pronounce correctly. Word stress helps us the word which we pronounce correctly. So the word stress helps that. Yes. So yesterday we have completed up to here and importance of word stress. So now today, yes. Even if the speaker can be understood, mistakes with the word stress can make the listener feel irritated. Yes. So what is the word stress? It helps, already you know that word stress helps us to pronounce correctly. What is the pronunciation we are pronouncing? So to pronounce correctly, word stress will helps us. Suppose yesterday we have seen one example that desert and desert. So word stress also called the syllable. How many syllables are there in a word? Already you have learnt the syllable in the third semester. How many syllables are there? 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllable, 4 syllable, 5 syllable or 6 syllable. So how many syllables are there? Syllables, what are the syllables actually? Syllables are nothing but sounds. Syllables are nothing but sounds. Suppose take the example of pronunciation itself. Pronunciation. So we will stop, we will give a gap 1 millisecond. That gap, when you will recognize, means when you will spell slowly. Pronunciation. So yeah, that is called the syllable. How many syllables, how many sounds are there? Pro, na, on, si, a, shan. 5 syllables are there totally in the pronunciation, right? So nothing but the sounds, that is called the syllables. Word stress is linked with the syllables, linked with the sounds, and also it is linked with the suffixes, right? Yeah. So you have to pronounce correctly, because the listener will feel irritated when you do the mistake, and also you have to prevent the good communication for taking place. Yeah, you have to take place, or you have to be special. So then you have to be pronounced correctly, because listener have to satisfy compulsory. We have to satisfy the listener compulsory. Yeah, so some examples, other words, nothing but the so see here: present, hot dog, people, yeah, stressing. The red mark, red color alphabet is stressing. You are stressing, right? But what is the right side is a wrong mark. You see, what is the left side? It is wrong, but you see the right side, it is correct. Because where you are stressing, suppose your first word present, present. So SENT you are pronouncing lightly, but PRE you are stressing, right? Next one also hot dog. Yeah, you are raising your voice. You are raising your voice, and you are stressing DOG. Yeah, people, PIL, you are stressing PIL and you are louder. People. Yes. Pronounce perfectly, correctly, nothing but correctly. Next, word stress is not an optional extra that you can add to the English language if you want. It is a part of the language. Yes, very important point that word stress is not an optional extra, what you call topic, right? It is not an extra topic. It is a part of the language. Word stress is a part of the language, very important part of the language, because the spellings or the words or the language when you speak, so then the listener will observe that how you are speaking, you are speaking correctly or you are speaking wrongly. The spellings also you are speaking correctly or wrongly. So the listener will observe all these. So the language is very important for speaking. So when you speak twice, so then only you can understand, you can become the practice, and don't stop only one time. Okasari pronunciation chesi stop cheyakandam, right? Pronounce twicely, so then only you can get the correct spelling or correct pronunciation. Correct spelling or correct pronunciation. And word stress is very important to knowing how to properly pronounce words in English. Yeah, I already told that, right? It is important to pronounce words in English. Pronunciation is very important, right? Pronunciation is very important in your future when you go for the interview, or you will get the company in job. So then you have to compulsory you have to pronounce in the English itself. So then the listeners, all the what you call the higher uh, position people will observe that how you are pronouncing the word, how you are pronouncing the words. So properly you are pronouncing properly, you are pronouncing correctly or not. So you have to know that compulsory. Word stress is very important to knowing how to properly pronounce words in English. Next, most English words will have one syllable said louder than the other syllables. Yes. So most of the words in English, not only in the word stress, in complete in English language, words will have one syllable. That one syllable as pronounced as louder than the other syllables, means than the two or more syllables. ఒక syllable ఉన్నది లౌడర్గా ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ చేస్తాం, బట్ వన్ ఆర్ టూ ఆర్ త్రీ సిలబల్స్ ఉన్నవి కొంచెం అంటే దానికన్నా ఎక్కువగా వన్ సిలబల్ ఉన్న దానిపైన లౌడర్నెస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది, రైట్? సపోజ్ ఆస్క్, ASK, example ask, right? So only the one syllable you have, but you are pronouncing louder. But so yeah, so you will pronounce louder. ఎప్పుడు మనం అబ్జర్వ్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తాము అని అంటే, ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎస్టర్డే దట్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ స్లోలీ, సో దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ ప్రొనౌన్సింగ్. ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్, easy to understand, easy to understood, for example in conference call. Yes, when speaking with native speakers. So easy-ga understand కావడానికి, so how to understand easily? So you can do the conference call when speaking with native speakers. Conference call lo undi you can observe that native speakers, how they are speaking, how they are pronouncing, right, in English. Usually the stressed words are the content words. The stressed words are the content words. Yeah, rules of the word stress. What are the rules of the word stress? Word stress is not an optional extra that you can add to the English language. Yeah, I already told, right? Yeah, two syllable nouns and adjectives. So nothing more important, but just I will read it, okay? Because it is a word stress suffixes. You have the topic only the word stress suffixes. So the verbs are prefixes, dual role, compound words. Not much important, right? Noun or pronoun, yeah, not much important, but I'm reading, okay? Yeah. Yes. So two syllable, nouns and adjectives. In most two syllable, nouns and adjectives, the first syllable takes on the stress. First syllable takes on the stress, means prefixes. Samples, cartoon, colorful, rainy. And two syllable verbs and prepositions. In most two syllable verbs and prepositions, the stress is on the second syllable. Relax means suffixes. Relax, receive, direct, among, aside, between. This is most important. ఇది చాలా important because suffixes, word stress suffixes. So these are the suffixes you have taken here, right? And also verbs and prepositions. Verbs, prepositions and nouns are not important. Adjectives or adverbs not important in these level, but you have to learn in the future compulsory. Yes, ikkada meeki second year lo in the fourth semester you have not much important to learn about the verbs and prepositions or adjectives or adverbs. Only you have to learn the suffixes and also stress, where you are stressing and how many syllables are there. That's it, you have to learn. But only for an idea, I'm giving these. In your textbook also you have only the word stress suffixes, I think. So you have to learn the word stress suffixes just. Yeah, only in your textbook you have only the suffixes and also you have the syllables. Yeah, suffixes and also the syllables, right? So not much important of this, but come to the prefixes, ma. Yes, prefixes is important for you. Usually prefixes do not take the stress of a word, and there are a few expectations to this rule. However, like un or in or pre, ex and miss, which are all stressed in their prefixes. Examples: example, explanation, examine. So no stress, right? So no stress in the prefixes. But syllable, you have the syllable, right? Inside, inefficient, interest, misspoke, mistake, misspelled, or precede, prearrange, preliminary. So these type of words have no prefixes, no stress. Next, the dual role, right? In case of words which can be used as either a noun or verb, the noun will tend to be stressed on the first syllable and the verb on the last syllable. Yeah, import, increase. Yeah, so the two syllables, you have the two syllables to stress also. You have the first stress and also the last stress, but first stress noun, last stress verb. That's it, ma. I told no, not much important. Baga mari important em kaadu, just I'm giving the information. That's it, ma. Information kosam matrame istunnanu. But in your second year you have to learn the stress, what is the word stress and what is a syllable, how many syllables are there, and also suffixes. Just that's it. Yeah. So the exercise, ma. Determine which of the following is the correct stressed syllable. Yeah, convict or convict. Also I have given the right mark answers, so the correct answer is the right mark. Yeah, convict. So B is the answer. And why B? right? Enduku B is answer means, yeah, because convict is a noun, thus the stress is in the first syllable. Yes. And the second one, symbol, 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 yeah, because symbol is a noun, so then the stress is in the first syllable. And next one, begin and also begin, yeah, these also the verb, so that's way the last syllable is the stressed syllable. Next one, funny, yeah, funny. B is the right answer because adjective is at the first, so that's way the B is the right answer. Blackboard, blackboard, yes, compound noun, this is a compound noun where the stress occurs on the first syllable. Next one, misspelled, misspelled, so 3 syllables ma, there are the 3 syllables in the misspelled, misspelled, so because misspelled is an unique prefixes that takes stress in it. Next one, properly, properly, yes, properly. Why? Because it is ending with the suffixually, suffix, that is the ly. Why? Because it is ending with the suffix ly, right? So this is the word stress suffixes ma. And in the textbook he have given the add the stress marks appropriately in the following words, and also he have given the, yeah, most of the suffixes do not affect stress pattern in English, but some suffixes do note the stress pattern in the following tables. So IC, ICAL, IOUS and IAL. So this is the end, nothing but the suffixes. Yeah, so critic, topic, and terrific, mechanic, patriotic, sympathetic, and historical, 2 syllables, biological, biological, logical is the stressing, practical, complete stressing, psychological, logical stressing, optical, complete stressing, electrical stressing, and serious, complete stressing, previous, complete stressing, unconscious, conscious is the stressing, mysterious is the stressing, and notorious is the stressing, delicious is the stressing, material is the stressing, special, complete stressing, biological, logical is stressing, potential is stressing, social, complete stressing, memorial is stressing. And also here words ending in ION take stress on the penultimate syllable. Read the following words aloud and observe how they are stressed. So in the textbook I am reading that examination, nation, stressing, station, complete stressing, preparation, ration stressing, administration, stressing, and education, cation stressing, and legislation, stressing, operation, ration is stressing, decoration, ration is stressing, population, lation is stressing, application, cation is stressing. Words ending in suffixes ity are stressed on the antepenultimate syllable, or the syllable that counts third from the end. Capacity, yes, capacity, and sagacity, electricity, and generosity, resty, and opacity, And in the following suffixes, the last syllable is stressed. note the expectations. Yes. So EE or EER, ETTE or QQUE or AIRE or OON or OO. Refugee, G. So you are prolonging, you are prolonging. Volunteer, T. Gazette, unique, millenary, afternoon, bamboo, right? So these type of words are given in your textbook also. So in the text only the word stress suffixes, so that's why I have explained only the word stress suffixes. So the noun or pronoun or adjective, adverb, verb, so no need to read ma, just you have to know about the word stress and also suffixes and also syllables, how many syllables are there in the word stress also. So this is the word stress for today's topic. So I have completed today's topic, the word stress suffixes. Word stress suffixes I have completed. So I am ending here. My name is Lavanya, lecturer in English from Giriraj Government College, Nizamabad. Thank you very much.